If you're looking for a ratchet set that combines compact design with top-tier functionality, this one stands out. Its unique textile case is not only durable but also keeps your tools neatly organized, saving valuable space in your workshop or toolbox. Unlike traditional metal boxes, the textile outer material adds an extra layer of surface protection while keeping the overall weight and volume low. That means easier mobility without sacrificing durability, ideal for anyone who needs to carry their tools around frequently. The ratchet head itself offers impressive versatility with 5 predefined locking positions and a finely pitched 72-tooth mechanism. This design delivers a small return angle of just 5 degrees, allowing you to work efficiently even in tight spaces where movement is limited. Made in Germany, this ratchet set reflects quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Users from the United States have praised its ease of use and solid construction, noting how it feels reliable right out of the box. One customer shared how the set immediately impressed them with its robust build and professional feel. It's the kind of tool that inspires confidence and makes every job smoother, whether you're a seasoned tradesperson or a weekend DIYer. Thanks to its compact arrangement, you get a full range of tools without the bulk. The upright positioning of the textile boxes keeps everything visible and accessible, so you spend less time searching and more time working. If you value quality, portability, and smart design in your tools, this ratchet set deserves a close look. It combines practical features with a sturdy case that stands up to daily use, making it a reliable companion for any project. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your toolkit. With positive reviews backing its performance and a thoughtful design that fits your workflow, this ratchet set offers what you need to get the job done efficiently and confidently.